What up, boob tube? So I'm an idiot and I deleted the intro for this video. Today what we're going to be doing is getting this RX-7 ready to head over to Lucky 7 Racing. So we got a few things on our list. We got to get a new battery in this thing, get the front bumper off, and clean up the Haltech wiring. So we're going to go ahead and get those things done and then get this thing over to the hands of transport. Man, I so don't want to do this, but first things first, I think we got to take this seat out. All right, so all we got to take these things out is a 15 mil. So 4 15 mils. Yes, I know, I'm using an impact. I don't care. All right, the seat's out. We can see that ugly tan carpet, which hopefully I can swap the carpet out soon. But if you didn't know, my battery's right up in here. So let's undo this old one, get it out, and get the new one in. All right, well that hardware's out. How the fuck do I lift this shitty battery out? God damn. Alright, this is the old battery, the Superstart Premium. Let me see if it shows what. Cold cranking apps, 425. So we're gonna get a good upgrade with this guy, if it fits. I don't know, it's a little bit bigger than that one. So might need to do some trimming. And this battery actually has 620 cold cranking amps, but the guys over at Full Throttle said it's actually over 1,000. So that should be perfect for the Bridgeport build on this RX-7. So let's get it in. Holy fuck, this is heavy as fuck. Alright, so that's an issue. Don't really have a battery tie down, and that does not fit. So, I don't really know what to do. Alright, so that looks a lot better. At least they're not super long and out there now, but let's get the towels out of here and the seat back in the interior and we should be good to go. All right, I apologize, that process sucked, but we got it in. Ooh, I'll show you guys. It just mounts up using three screws, but holding back behind it, all that wiring, getting it tucked sucks. So be prepared if you're doing this yourself to just take your time and be patient with it, because it's not the most fun thing to do, but looks good in there. I mean, passenger footwell now, totally clear. Let's get this seat back in there. All right, so it's the next day. So I'm gonna work on getting this front bumper off. There's one pesky bolt that I was not able to remove. I might have to cut it off, might have to drill it out. I'm not sure. So we're gonna look into that, but I gotta get this car jacked up and the front wheels taken off so I can access those bolts. All right, so that right there is the bolt that was giving me a hard time. So now that I have the wheel off, should be much easier to get that out. So I'm gonna get that out and then the whole bumper should come off. All right, so this bolt is not wanting to come out. We're gonna probably have to wait until I get that nut for the cutoff wheel and just cut her off. Holy shit, that thing sucks. I can't take the fucking front bumper off because, oh my god, that's so annoying, bro. I need to just slot this bumper bracket so I can slip this on and off. God damn it, dude, that's so annoying. Alright guys, so last I left off, I was trying to get the front bumper off, but there were some standoffs in the way for the V-mount. So these guys right there don't want to come out unless you take off all that extra heat shielding, and I wasn't wanting to do that. So I just slotted this front bumper bracket, and then it can just you know, slide out from around those. All right, so I got the seat thrown back in there on the passenger side. Now all that's left is to get this to transport tomorrow. So they'll be here tomorrow morning to pick this thing up, and then from there it's off to Lucky 7. All right, guys, we got the car prepped for transport. I just pushed it out, got all the lug nuts tightened down, that kind of thing. But yeah, so I think this is your guys' first time seeing this thing kind of out in the light. So I'll do a quick little walk around before she goes. I'm super sad, but also very excited to have it back. Oh God, it's just so mean. But I really do love this thing, and I'm excited to get it the motor it deserves. So, really taking care of everything else. Super excited, but super sad to see this thing go, honestly. I just gotta point this out. The interior is just by far one of my favorite things about this car, and something I took a lot of time in doing. We got the 3 gauges up there, the quick release, perfectly clean dash. All the plastic pieces are incredible, everything's there. And the Bride Lomaxes. So really the only thing exterior wise I'm gonna change on this car when it gets back is I got a set of 3-piece Meisters. I went with silver face, polished lip. Super excited to get those in, but lots of cool things for this car. Just, yeah, gotta get it back. So I'll check back in with you guys when transport's here. So, all right, guys. So transport's here, and this guy's sweet. Should be pretty easy. Just gotta load her up. Man, am I gonna be sad to not have this thing in the garage, but I will be stoked when it's running. Hell yeah. God damn. Hopefully we're able to get up those ramps. I didn't show you guys, but the exhaust barely made it. That was crazy. Tomei almost got smacked. Saying goodbye for now.